So you just got your first credit card. You're feeling unstoppable cashback, points, perks. It feels like free money, right? But you are wrong. Credit cards can build your financial future or absolutely wreck it. And most people, they learn the hard way. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 biggest credit card mistakes beginners make and how you can dodge them like a pro. If you're 18 to 30 and trying to build wealth in the US, you can't afford to mess this up. Subscribe so you don't miss more real money talk like. So let's start. Mistake 1. Treating credit like free money. Mistake number 1. Thinking a credit card is free money. It's not. It's a loan. Every swipe is borrowed cash with interest. The average credit card interest rate in the US is over 22%. If you buy a $100 pair of shoes and don't pay it off, it could end up costing you $122 or more over time. That $5 coffee, not worth becoming broke with a side of vanilla latte. If you wouldn't buy it with cash, don't swipe it with credit. Mistake 2, only paying the minimum. Next up, only paying the minimum. It feels like you're staying ahead, but really, you're just digging slower into the hole. Paying just the minimum means it could take years to pay off a balance, and you'll pay way more in interest. Let's do the math real quick. $2,000 balance, 22% interest. Minimum payment, $50. You'd be in debt for almost 11 years and pay over $3,500 just in interest. Treat your credit card like a debit card. Pay the full balance every month. Mistake 3, ignoring your due date. Third mistake, missing your payment due date. One late payment equals late fee plus interest plus credit score damage. Triple threat. Just one missed payment can drop your credit score by 50 to 100 points. That can mess with your ability to get a car loan, rent an apartment, or even land a job. Then, what is the solution? Set autopay, or at least a calendar reminder. Treat your due date like rent, non-negotiable. Mistake 4, maxing out your credit limit. Credit card balance bar going up, someone proudly saying, "I used every dollar." Then cut to FICO score dropping. Mistake number 4, maxing out your credit limit. Even if you pay it off every month, it still hurts your score. Credit utilization ratio, how much you use versus how much you're allowed, makes up 30% of your credit score. Then, what is the ideal ratio? Keep it under 30%, but under 10% is even better. So if your limit is $1,000, don't carry more than $300 on it. Or better yet, pay it down before your statement closes. Mistake 5, applying for too many cards at once. Person excitedly applying for multiple credit cards, then confused why their credit score dropped. You know what's not a flex? Applying for 5 cards in 5 days. Each application triggers a hard inquiry, and too many in a short time screams desperate to lenders. Too many inquiries equals lower score, plus lower approval odds for future credit. Now, what will be your smart move? Apply strategically. Start with one starter card or a student card. Build 6 to 12 months of positive history before thinking of another. Mistake 6, not using credit at all. And finally, mistake number 6, avoiding credit cards completely. Sounds safe, right? Nope, because no credit history equals bad credit in the eyes of lenders. No credit history means no credit score, and that makes it harder to get loans, rent places, or even get a phone plan. Credit isn't the enemy. Misuse is. Use it right, and it's one of the best tools to build your financial power. Here's the recap. Credit is borrowed money, not free cash. Pay more than the minimum. Never miss your due date. Keep your utilization low. Don't go card happy, and don't fear credit. Use it to your advantage. Want to build real financial freedom? Learn the game. Play it smarter than everyone else. Subscribe if you're serious about money. Like this video so more people don't fall into these traps. And let me know in the comments, what's one credit card mistake you wish you avoided sooner? See you in the next one. And remember,